This is the opportunity, or this company or organization or store, they have a affiliate program for you that you can use to make money for yourself on the side. You become an affiliate for them. How are you going to become an affiliate? They've got a product that you are going to promote out there. How you are going to earn? You are not earning a salary, ladies and gentlemen. You are earning a commission. How it's going to be done is the following. Making an example so that you can understand better. Let's say I'm joining now, or I have joined. I take a product, I advertise it on social media, website, or anywhere. All right. Somebody sees it, clicks the link, checks the product, or even any other product on the website. Okay. When they get there and maybe they are interested in a certain product and they buy the product, you are going to get a 15% out of that sale.